Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to copy or move any file to multiple different folders all at once in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see on my desktop home screen I have different folders with the name folder 1, folder 2 and folder 3, right? So let me open it, each one of it. I don't have any files inside it, right? So let me show you one by one. So all these folders are completely blank. So in order to copy or move any file to multiple different folders, what you need to do is just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application name as end-to-end copy, and the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it and just click on download to download this software. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close the web browser. So just double click it to extract this zip file. Just open the extracted folder. Now you will see here the first one is English, so and the second one is different languages. So if you don't understand the other language, then just extract the English language. Now you will see here the second file is the application. Just double click on it. Now at the bottom you will see here it's user interface, right? So you might find it very little bit a complex one, right? So what you need to do is just place your mouse cursor above this window and just right mouse click, and now you can choose whether to copy or move. So in my case I will select a copy. You can choose a move, and after selecting copy or move, so you will see here some more options like add files to copy or add folder. Even you can add a folder also. Even you can add a folder content and add a targeted folder where you want to move or copy. So now let us add a target here. So in my case I want to move it to the desktop folders. So I will select one by one, folder 1. So I have added. So you can see one. Once again just right mouse click above it and once again click on this add target folder. Let me select the folder 2 now. So you can see I've selected 2 different folders. Again, once again do the same thing, right mouse click on this add target folder. Let me select the folder 3 now. So I want to copy a respective file to these 3 different folders at a time. So now let us select the file which we want to send. So right mouse click again and now click on this add files to copy or move. Now locate to the folder where you have saved the respective files. So let me send one image file. You can send any file, whatever file you want. So I will send only one file. You can select multiple files also. So you can see here it's showing one, right? So now at the bottom you can see your copy option. Just click on it. So now once you see this, the task has been finished successfully. Click on OK. Now let us check on each folder whether the file is sent or not. So let me open folder 1 one by one. So here is a file which I have sent. Folder 2. So here is a file. Folder 3. So here is a file. So by using this cool software named as end-to-end copy, you can easily copy or move any file to multiple different folders all at once in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool softwares, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.